Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our first online class session for our subject Methods of Agricultural Research. So, inaani na tong klase no, online. So, for the first time, we will be meeting through virtual platform sa atong klase, and I hope that on your end, you have strong signal and fully charged cell phone or laptops aron nga maka-learn gyapon ta sa ato ang subject despite the impact of this coronavirus pandemic. So it will be hard no kay uh, dili ta face to face. So in during face to face classes pwede unta gid ta mag face to face tutor, hands-on gid nga tutorial, one on one. But anyway, let's also just try to cope up with the situation for our safety. On our end as instructors, we will promise you to deliver effective instructional videos. And on your end as students, we hope that you be responsible enough to do your jobs as a student. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started for our session for today in our class. Basically, we will just discuss about our course orientation program. I'll be sharing with you slides about our course orientation program. So our course is AGCC 2113, Methods of Agricultural Research. In this subject, you are to learn how to design an agricultural experiment and uh, choose how to choose designs across different kinds of experiments that is related to our field of agriculture. Okay, but first of all, let's discuss first the CTU vision, mission, goals, and objectives. So the vision of our university is to become a premier multidisciplinary technological university, and that can only be achieved if we as instructors are able to teach you very well, so that you will become effective professionals in your field once you graduate. The mission of our university, it's quite long. If you take time to read, please do read. But I'll wrap it up for you. So it's uh it's about the functions of the university, which is instruction, research, extension, and production. So in instruction, we will try to deliver to you effective instruction on how to learn particular subject matters that is important for you to become an agriculturist one day. And we hope that you will not just become agriculturists, you will become scientists. We're hoping for that. Labi na ning second year, daghan kay bright. So we hope na kanang daghan ninyo ang mahimong nga researchers. Okay? And then our goals of the university, I would like to emphasize the three points here kaning appropriate knowledge, appropriate skills, and attitude. So these three comes kanang kuan are complementary. So you have the attitude, you have the knowledge, and you have the skill. So if you have these three at uh, the right proportions, no, kanang sakto nga timpla sa skills, sa knowledge and attitude, then we are confident nga inyuhang ma-discharge niya inyuhang duties pohon as professionals in our field in relation to our nation building goals. And in these three, I would like to emphasize nga uh, only one cannot be taught kini attitude nga aspect, because this is something we develop in ourselves every day. So it's I think nobody's got perfect attitude, but uh, day by day, let's try to develop. Bisag kami, we will try to develop uh, the right attitude towards our work. Okay, and I hope that also on your end you will try to do that as well. And then we have the program outcomes. So the program outcomes, nani kung ano kanang nani different classifications of outcomes. So we have kaning common to all programs, common to the agriculture education, and specific to the BS agriculture program. You can run through this on this video. Pwede ninyo i-take og screenshot and then study each. But don't worry, I will not be taking kanang kon siguro kanang sana basig mag-expect mo nga I'll be taking questions from this part. So no. Mag I will not take questions from this part kining mga specific objectives, specific goals of the program kana. So no. Let's stick to the course itself. Okay? So in this course, mo atong course learning outcome after taking up this course, we expect na you students will be able to choose appropriate research design given a particular circumstance in conducting research because different kinds of research requires different designs and we will be teaching you that in this subject. So next is utilize the proper statistical tool in data analysis for both experimental and descriptive methodologies. So you have two types of research, uh, descriptive and experimental. So descriptive is mm, normally kaning mga survey researches, and then you have the experimental, the ones that you conduct experiments on. And these two require different designs. And aside from different designs, different analytical tools, different statistical analysis nga atong gamiton. So we will also teach you that. And then number three is apply research principles in problem analysis and in arriving solutions. So not just that you know what design to use, what statistical tool to use, but that you'll be able to apply this knowledge and skill in solving a particular problem. Okay, and then lastly is you have to conduct research and prepare a manuscript from the conducted research. Well, in this time no nga we are online, fully online sa atong klase and the pandemic is still going on. So instead of conducting the research in this subject, we'll be making your course, your research proposal. And alam mo kakulba kay naarabi daghan nga makulbaan basta research na isgutan. Don't worry, I'll run you through so that you will uh, have a smooth sailing experience there is ato ang subject nga research methods of agricultural research. So just stay tuned, stay connected, and keep cool. So anyway, I will try to become a very, how do you say this, considerate instructor sa kaning subject. Okay. So our subject is AGCC 2113 Methods of Agricultural Research. The course description is quantitative and qualitative methods in the conduct of agricultural research. So quantitative are those researches that involve experiments. For example, kaning you want to find out if the photosynthetic ability of plants are affected by certain factors such as, let's say, stress or uh, environmental conditions and other factors caused by with the human interference. So will it have effect on the plant's photosynthetic ability? So that is an example of quantitative research. Qualitative methods, on the other hand, are those that normally these are researches that try to uh, measure the quality, not in numbers, but uh, they try to draw out a certain conclusion from a set of uh, data that you cannot measure in terms of metrics. Okay, so qualitative researches basically are those that can conduct of surveys and other researches that involve like social methods. So those are the qualitative researches. We will learn more about that during our uh, next nga mga sessions. So for now, let's get going. So let's talk about your class schedule kay para dili mo kung ano malibog kung unsa nga time gyud ang ato ang klase. So we have here your class schedule for BSA 2A. Our class schedule is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 8 to 9 a.m. And then for BSA 2B, the same day, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 10 to 11 a.m. And then for BSA 2C, we have Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 7 to 8 p.m. For BSA 2D, it's going to be Tuesday and Thursday at 7 to 8 p.m. and on Saturday, 8 to 9 a.m. Okay, that's our official class schedule. But I understand nga it might be very stressful on your side. Like every day you have to log in, you have to watch a video, you have to log into our, let's say, online platform so that you will be marked as present. So in this class, ang ato ang style will be every week I will give you a video presentation of the topic that we need to discuss. And then at the end of the week, let's say Monday, nag-upload ko video, I give you the video. You can study it anytime within the week. You don't have to let's say uh, study it on time like sa BSA 2A at 8 to 9 a.m. So you can view it anytime starting on a Monday and then on the Friday I just want you to submit something that I will require from you. So that's like your output for the week. Okay, so inanaon lang nato. Kay aron sad nga dili mo mabunog sa inyong kaning pagpa-load inyong data mahurot kay sige mo og sud og kanang kuan kanang sige mo sud og different classes every day niya di ra ba usa dili ra ba usa ra yung subject so daghan kay mong subject so in our case atong subject let's do that will be our arrangement niya every Monday I will upload instructional material and then you can view it you can study it within the week and at the end of the week you have to submit an output that I will require from you makita ra ninyo ang output requirement sa video presentation at the end of every session sa atong klase. Okay? So I hope that you're fine with that. Anyway, we can also meet if you really want to have thorough discussions like a live discussion. Okay? But for convenience nga sake, let's try that approach for the meantime. So in this subject, you will be evaluated in this way. This is just a lecture subject, like just lecture, no laboratory component. So your lecture grade will compose of 10% project and exercises and assignments. Your term exam will be 40%. Your quizzes will be 30%. Your recitation and participation is 20%. And your final grade will be composed of 50% of your midterm grade and 50% of your final term grade. That will be your final rating. So your course requirements, what you need to submit in this course, the final output, I just want to require one final output from you, and that is your complete full-blown research proposal. Sounds difficult? Yeah, murag gilisod yun ng research proposal na full-blown, but in this subject, we will try to take them one at a time, one part at a time. Okay, so don't be scared. I will guide you through in this subject. And in case nga murag nalibog unsaon na ning subject ka, unsa na daghan na kay istorya si sir. So to wrap it up, you just have to do these three things. Attend your classes, do your course assignments, and be a responsible student. So that's the only three things you need to remember so that you will not miss out. So na I upload every Monday, you have to make sure nga you can view that out that upload so that you will be able to study the topic and then do your course assignments so that you will not be marked absent and then be a responsible student. If you have questions, contact directly to your instructor and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Okay? So for the next meeting, mo na itong first topic pohon, we will be discussing about science and common sense. If you can read in advance, that would be good, so that you will have initial knowledge about the subject matter. And that's all for today. So I hope that you enjoyed the orientation and that you learned something about what the course is about. And hopefully that by next meeting you will still stay with us, stay online, stay connected to watch our lessons. And I hope that you will be responsible students. Okay. So thank you for watching and stay safe. See you next time. Bye bye.